Hello everyone, today let's crochet the snowflake. Take out the white yarn and make a knot. Work 3 chains as the first double crochet stitch. Then make a mark. Continue to work 2 chains. Next, we crochet a double crochet stitch and 2 chains as a set. Repeat 5 times in round 1. Three, 4, 5. Okay, fasten up the loop. Work a slip stitch in the first lacy stitch. Now we finished round 1. Round 2 still work 3 chains as the first double crochet stitch. You can make one more slip stitch in the chain 2 space and then continue work 3 chains. It will look more beautiful. Make a mark on the third chain. Work 3 double crochet stitches in the same chain 2 space. Then work 2 chains. In the next chain 2 space, still work 4 double crochet stitches. Then continue to work 2 chains. Repeat work 4 double crochet stitches and 2 chains to finish round 2. Okay, finished. Then we work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then we work round 3. In round 3, work 2 slip stitch first. Then in the chain 2 space, we need to work a slip stitch, 3 chains, and a slip stitch. Then work 5 chains in the slip stitch in the same chain 2 space. Next work 7 chains in the slip stitch. 5 chains in the slip stitch. Next 3 chains and the slip stitch. Now we finished one set. Work 2 slip stitch in the double crochet stitch. Then repeat work in the chain 2 space. 6 sets in total to finish this round. Okay, now we finished. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. Then tidy up all yarn ends and cut off. Now have finished the snowflake.